Hello, my name's Edward from Yorkshire Vehicle Solutions. I just wanted to take a moment to walk around this gorgeous E-Class estate that's just come into stock with us. It's an E220 diesel premium, finished in Iridium Silver on a 67 registered 2017 registered car. It's just shy of 60,000 miles, but it is in very, very good condition. All the wheels are immaculate, the tyres have plenty of tread. Got some nice specification items on it too. If I quickly just go around the car, you can see the tow bar tucked down at the bottom there. We've got that massive boot. You can see the power tailgate. You'll see on the roof there we've got the panoramic opening glass sunroof. Bodywork itself is very good as well. Just coming into the rear. It's all in very good condition. You notice there we've got the electric memory front seats. Heated. There's massive screens here. With the Mercedes sat-nav, I believe the car has CarPlay as well. See the mileage there, 59,726. It's got your media controls on here, your cruise control, and the sat-nav Bluetooth screen, the massive widescreen display there. The climate control, the hotkeys, and obviously all this piano black trim, cup holders, different controllers for the infotainment system. Just tucked away in that gorgeous wraparound dash. Open master hop out. What a great looking car. Do let me know if you have any questions. Say my name's Edward, and thank you very much for watching.